Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about 5.3c long division and synthetic division. We already learned the long division and synthetic division both, right? So we are going to compare. So let's try directly. So 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3 will be divided by x minus 1. So let's divide this polynomial by using long division and synthetic division both. And then let's compare which one is much better for you. So let's try. How do you write down this one? Let's first do the long division. 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3. That we should be careful, right? There is no x. Then what did I say? You should put the 0 for the x here, right? So make sure you put the 0x. When there is no x or any term is missing, you should make sure you keep the space for that place. And then divisor come over here. Now, when you divide, what do? X times what is 2x cubed, right? So what is it? 2x squared. So you write down x times 2x squared here, 2x cubed, and then followed by negative 1 times 2x squared is negative 2x squared. And then what do? Subtract, right? Subtract. When you subtract, this and this cancel. So if you subtract 2x squared minus negative 2x squared, minus minus become plus. So 2x squared plus 2x squared will be 4x squared. And then you should bring this 0x down here. Now we repeat the same step, right? So x times what is 4x squared? So 4x. So plus 4x, right? So write down 4x squared and then followed by negative 1 times 4x, which is minus 4x. And what do? Subtract again, right? If you subtract, this and this will cancel always, make it 0. And 0x minus 4x. So it will be plus 4x. So if you sub, this will be 4x. And then bring this minus 3 down. So now one more step left. X times what? Plus 4. And then it will be 4x minus 4. If you subtract, negative 3 minus negative 4 will be 1, right? So we have a quotient is 2x squared plus 4x plus 4, and the remainder is 1. How about synthetic division? How do you set up the synthetic division? You write down like this one when you get the, so 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus, when this is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by the divisor, right? You know how to write down like this. So now let's use a synthetic division. You put the division bracket for synthetic, and then what do? How do you write down the numbers? Here, 2, 2, 0, negative 3, right? 2, 2, 0, negative 3. There is no x, you should put the 0. And what should we have here? 0 value from the divisor, which is what? Negative 1? No, right? Positive 1. Now you set the bracket and you set up for the everything. Now everything is done. What is the first step? Yes, you put the first number down here and you multiply 1 and 2 and write down here, right? 1 times 2 is 2. And then what do? You're not subtracting. You should add here. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then again, you repeat the same thing. 1 times 4 is 4 here. Add 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. This is what? Remainder. So you should separate this like that. Then this is the remainder. 4, 4x 2x squared, right? 4, oops, sorry, 4x, 2x squared, which is a quotient is 2x squared plus 4x plus 4, and remain this 1 divided by x minus 1. Isn't it exactly the same? C. So which one is easier? Synthetic division is much simpler, right? But one more time, when the divisor has like this, x minus something or x plus something, synthetic division is much simpler. But if the coefficient of this x is not 1, then I strongly recommend you to use long division. All right. Let's stop here.